Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Now this is something that you think, well, why are we looking at this? Well, in my case it was a real simple solution. I moved a considerable distance and ended up my tools that I thought I had packed with me got put somewhere else, so I needed something to kind of get me by. So this is a good starter set to get you by during a move. If you've got somebody who's getting their first apartment or first home, this is also something very handy to have. And the carry case also helps keep track of the tools. So let's just put this down here and we'll open that. Let's see here. There we go. I think it's got child-proof locks on it. Now we'll do, okay. Now this is what you see with the case open, and we'll start with the back of the case. And it gives you a good assortment of things. Like you've got a set of Allen wrenches here in the back in metric and standard. And you think, well, when am I going to need those? Trust me, the very time when you wonder when you're going to need them is the time that you'll find out they come in handy. You've got a standard Phillips and flathead screwdriver. You've got a decent set of pliers to get started. Now that gives you a little bit better angle to look at. You've got a hammer, you've got a single ratchet handle, you've got a selection of nut drivers, you have a good assortment of Phillips, flathead, and there's even some Torx in there thrown in for good measure. And trust me, when you need a Torx, you don't just run down to the corner hardware store and find some, because sometimes the sizes are different. At least this gives you a good starting point. Now, to use all this, you'll take this handle here, plugs in to this piece here, and that lets you use any of these bits. You can also take the ratchet handle and plug it into this, and then you've got a ratchet drive for all of the bits you see there. If you're tightening or unloosening up a nut, then you'll pick the one that you need from right here, and you can either use it as a standard screwdriver piece or you can use it with the ratchet handle. So this is something that's going to be very handy to have, and plus you got a 12-foot tape measure, which in most of the times that I've had to deal with a tool set, that has gotten me by what I need. And you've got a good box cutter there. So really this is a very flexible kit that will get you by in a pinch when you don't have your other tools handy, or if you're helping a friend, you can just always leave this in the back of your car and voila, you'll look like a saint when you walk in. Oh, hey, we've got this, and go on, because not everybody carries some tools, especially when they're going to help a friend and you may not realize that you need to have them. So Craftsman is a very old name. It's quality tools, so you really can't go wrong with this one. So look at getting one of these today. I think you'll be very happy with it.